Okay, this is a short video to explain a crooked handle, we call it. In tilt and turn windows, oftentimes you may see a handle. We see it on photos and pictures of tilt and turn windows occasionally, where the handle is like this. And when you go to turn and shut the window, we can't get the handle to go straight, okay? It'll never go up vertical, okay? That means there's some adjustment in the hardware mechanisms that are slightly off. And it could be a couple of things. We open it, we'll see we have the window handle horizontal, so this is in the open position. And what we want to look at is we see these two marks that are on the gear body. They're etched into the lock case here, and we'll see this cam. It should ideally be in the middle of that, between those two lines. And we want to look at each one of the hardware components. So here we have the corner drive. Again, it is in between the two lines, and we want to go on down the sides, and we look for one that's not between the lines. So if we have one of these cams that's potentially not in between the two etched lines, then we have a problem. And normally what that problem is, this is the connection between all of the components, okay? We have this simple drive mechanism that has serrated teeth that goes into a carrier, okay? We could simply be one gear tooth off, and it allows it not to function properly and the handle not to close or go completely vertical. So once you find that, then we have to remove those pieces in order to realign those, okay? Now, if all of these cams are still within the tolerances between the two lines, then we may have a potential issue with one of the frame keepers. These are the strikers here. We may have an issue with one of those. And in order to figure out which one that is, the proper method is to remove all of them except one. We remove all of them, leave one on, and we go through a function to see if the window closes. If the handle is still crooked, we go ahead and reattach one of them, another one, close the window. If it closes all the way, you found your problem. If it's still crooked, attach the next one, okay? That's how you eliminate, process of elimination, to find which one is the issue. And once you find that out, this may need to be adjusted. And this is where we have, I believe it's a T15, a Torx 15, and you can turn these are eccentric, so they can be moved in and out to change the adjustment, the locking on those keeps. So you'll want to check that, okay? And that should allow you to get that handle where it's straight up and down, okay? Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, check out our YouTube page for any other technical videos. We may be able to already answer some of your questions on some of those videos. So thank you.